On a router with an orthogonal architecture, fan modules are located in front of the SFUs and must be removed before the SFUs can be maintained. When an SFU is removed for maintenance, its empty slot causes a short circuit in the air duct. This affects heat dissipation of its adjacent SFUs, leading to them overheating. Heat buildup may cause device failure or hardware damage. The NetEngine 8000X series uses the anti-backflow blade design. As an SFU is removed, its anti-backflow blade automatically closes, while the blade of the adjacent SFU on the right automatically opens, eliminating the short circuit in the air duct caused by the empty slot. Because the maintenance window is more than 3 times longer, device reliability is significantly improved.